Is the white holes really exist or not? This can be a big question in today's astronomy. Hey everyone, welcome back to our cosmic journey, dear viewers. Today in this exciting video, we explore the enigmatic phenomenon known as the white hole. Before this journey, you should subscribe to your channel. Your support means the world to our team. First, the possibility of the existence of white holes was put forward by Russian cosmologist Igor Novikov in 1964. Many scientists have told that while black holes devour matter and let nothing escape, white holes emit huge amounts of matter and energy, allowing nothing to travel inside them. They could never be entered. If an intrepid crew did attempt to enter a white hole, the sheer force of the gamma rays would destroy them and their ship. There may be a factual question in your mind. Is the white hole a big star? The answer is definitely no. A white hole is not a big star. In fact, a white hole is a theoretical concept that is the opposite of a black hole. While a black hole is formed by the gravitational collapse of a massive star, a white hole is a hypothetical region of space where matter and energy are thought to be expelled rather than being pulled in. After knowing these kind of answers, you can ask that, is there any discovery about white hole? See, white holes are really just something scientists have imagined. They could exist, but we've never seen one, or even seen clues that one may exist. For now, they are an idea. To put it simply, you can imagine a white hole as being a black hole in reverse. Hope you get something new in this video about our universe. That's all for today. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and you should watch another mind-bending video of universe. Thanks for being here.